Number 1. Catch a cold. It means to become sick with a cold.
I didn't wear a jacket and caught a cold. I didn't wear a jacket and caught a cold. If you catch a cold, rest and drink fluids. If you catch a cold, rest and drink fluids. Many people catch colds in the winter months. Many people catch colds in the winter months.
Number 2. Catch fire. It means to start burning.
The dry leaves quickly caught fire. The dry leaves quickly caught fire. Be careful or the paper will catch fire. Be careful or the paper will catch fire. If oil catches fire, never use water. If oil catches fire, never use water.
Number 3. Catch the flu. It means to become sick with the flu.
She caught the flu and stayed in bed. She caught the flu and stayed in bed. Many children catch the flu during winter. Many children catch the flu during winter. If you catch the flu, see a doctor. If you catch the flu, see a doctor.
Number 4. Catch sight of. It means to suddenly see something.
She caught sight of a deer in the woods. She caught sight of a deer in the woods. I caught sight of him in the crowded room. I caught sight of him in the crowded room. He caught sight of a rainbow in the sky. He caught sight of a rainbow in the sky.
Number 5. Cause crime. It means to be the reason for criminal activities.
Poverty can sometimes cause crime in cities. Poverty can sometimes cause crime in cities. Unemployment and boredom might cause crime too. Unemployment and boredom might cause crime too. Effective policing can reduce what causes crime. Effective policing can reduce what causes crime.